Hello, my name is Jason Miller. I'm the corporate executive chef for Balducci's Food Lovers Market, and today we're going to show you how to make a simple dish using Haricots Verts, which are French green beans, caramelized walnuts, and a little Maytag blue cheese. It's perfect for the holidays. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we have these French green beans. They're also called Haricots Verts, which is just basically French for green bean. They're a little bit different than the standard kind of green bean that you normally see. They're a little thinner, a little longer. Actually, they're a little bit more tender and sweeter in my opinion. It doesn't take a whole lot to bring out the flavor of these, so we're going to just do a simple dish. We're just going to plunge them into boiling salted water for just about a minute, and then in turn right into some ice water. Now what that does, it basically shocks the beans. It kind of sets the flavor, it sets the color, makes them nice and bright green, and it basically par cooks them. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So I have over here, I have some rumbling, boiling water, and that's what you want. You want it a heavy boil, and you want to add some salt. And you just saw I added a great deal of salt. Two things, obviously, it's going to add flavor to the beans, and it also brings the water temperature up. The faster and hotter you shock these beans, the brighter the color is going to be. So what we're going to do, we got a rolling boil. We're going to go ahead and add our French beans into the boiling water. So now we're going right back from the boiling water, lost a couple, right into this ice water. And basically what this is doing, it's just setting that green color along with the flavor of these beans, and it basically just shocks them. So all we got to do now is just give these a minute just to cool down. You want to be sure they leave them in the ice water long enough to cool all the way to the center. So we're just going to set these aside. What I'm going to do here is just slice about a half a clove of garlic. And what we're going to do is just lightly saute these, just sweat them. We don't want them to brown too much. And then the last thing we're going to do is I have just a little bit of Maytag blue. Take a chunk, just a little, perfect for really any holiday. And there we go. Simple dish using French green beans, caramelized walnuts, and Maytag blue cheese.